Folks, we're going to be talking about global search today. In this video, we'll discuss what it does and how to use it. Global search essentially allows you to find the right content fast. It's great for end users who need to edit a specific page, or for power users who want to use the advanced options to really improve their search results. Let's take a look. So as we can see here, the global search can be found on the global navigation bar found across the top of OU Campus. Clicking on the magnifying glass icon will open up the global search dialog box. Now, when it comes to what you can search, the answer is basically everything. Global search can search through files, folders, and assets. Just keep in mind, you'll only see content that you have access to. Now, on top of that, if you're an administrator, you can even use global search to search through users and groups. To perform a search, it's pretty easy. Just type your search term into the search bar, and a list of results are going to appear in the left, separated by category. You can click on the Show All link to view things by category as well. When you click on a result, you'll see a preview of that content on the right-hand side of the dialog, and then you can click on the Go To button to navigate directly to that item. If you've clicked on a folder on the left-hand side, then on the right-hand side you'll see all of the content within that folder. You can go to the Pages List view for this particular folder, or you can click on a file or subfolder within it to navigate directly there. You can also use the advanced options to further refine your search. Start by clicking on the advanced link on the right-hand side of the dialog. From the type dropdown, you're able to choose what type of content you'd like to include in your search. In the name field, begin just typing the name of the content you're looking for. If you include text-based files or asset types in your search, you'll also see a Contains the Words field. This allows you to search the content of these content types. Just keep in mind it only applies to plain text, web content, and source code assets, and of course, your web pages too. In the Scope section, you're also able to refine your search by tags, by publish date, or just by the last modified date. Now that's basically it for the global search functionality. Let's just recap some important things to remember. First of all, global search is found in the global navigation bar right next to your user screen. You're able to search for pretty much anything that lives in OU Campus. Files like images and PDFs, web pages, folders, assets, users, and groups. Using the advanced options can allow you to further refine your search results. And finally, remember that the search results you'll see will only include the content that you have access to. Thanks for watching.